What's up, y'all? So obviously, you know, we're starting this video a little different than we typically do. Jumping into this video, this was something that I thought was gonna be like a quick little segment in another video. But as you guys will see, we thought we just had a quick little UPS truck stuck that we're gonna yank out with the truck real quick. And well, things changed and it got a lot more difficult than we had anticipated and basically turned into an entire video. So that's why it's gonna kind of start weird. Well, obviously we're starting weird here. Also wanna let you guys know, the Work For It jerky is back in stock. Go get it. It sells out every single time that we restock it. This stuff is amazing. Read the reviews online, workforapparel.com. Look, I already cracked open the bacon one and ate most of it because I couldn't wait. Go get you guys some jerky as well as a bunch of other Work For It swag while you are there. Let's roll this video. Okay, well, we got a little break. We've got all of the decking up there except for those 4-foot pieces, but we just got word that there's a UPS driver stuck. So we're gonna take Chris's old work rig here, the old F-150. You sure it's a 4-wheel drive, Doc? Is this 4-wheel drive? It is, dang, look at that. We're gonna go see if we can go unstuck a UPS van. Dang, man, I'm sitting in the back seat like Chris drives. Oh, still got a key though?
Yeah, man.
Dang, look at that. Is this a Volkswagen?
Yeah.
Nice, nice. Woo, purrs like a kitten.
Yeah, how many miles you got?
221,000. Oh, it's due for an oil change, dog.
No, it's just I never.
Oh, just always says that?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's see what we got. Where's he at? All right. Oh, he's buried. This might be Mini X territory.
Heck no, look at this shit.
You think we're gonna get it?
Yeah.
As soon as you start like moving in it, yeah, the water just comes up.
Oh, yeah, it was telling me to go this way and the road's like blocked off up there, so I was going backwards and I didn't see how the road like split here.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden I was like, shit, I'm not moving anymore.
Well, you think you're gonna get him out, Chris?
I didn't know it was freaking mud. We're going mud bogging.
Yeah, oh, we're going mud bogging.
Yeah, there's a tow truck coming, but it's coming from like El Cajon.
Oh, that's gonna be a while.
Yeah.
We'll get you out before then. Yeah. I'm gonna go grab the excavator.
Yeah.
I don't want your truck stuck too. Everybody right here has tractors and equipment, so
Okay.
we'll get you out. Yeah. We'll be quicker than the tow truck will be. All right, guys, she is, oh, hey, dog, I'll drive. Forgot about that. All right. It's a little more stuck than we want. So around here, you guys know, I've showed you guys kind of the quicksand that fills every low-lying area when it rains. And well, yeah, that's what that whole area is. One time I came hauling butt on the 110 right here. I was chasing the donkeys and I hit this stuff and I just sunk into it.
Did you clean your feet?
Oh, my bad, dog. Sorry, man. Sorry. What we got in here, man? Is this an actual work truck? All right, we're actually gonna go stop by a neighbor's and see if we can commandeer his tractor or let him come over here with the tractor, because the Mini X is gonna take me like 30 minutes to track this way. They are not fast. Well, now we're following Paparano, who decided to take the 110 out and it had a low tire in the back end. Instead of filling it up, he rode it anyway and then tore off the stem. So now he's trying to ride back with flat rear tires. He's got all his weight on the front. We've alerted the neighbors, so they're gonna go grab their tractor. And let's go see if we can get this guy out.
Holy shit.
Yeah, you ain't getting out of that. I don't even want to walk over there. Bro, not the dudes, man. All right, well, those are work dudes now. Bro, you're walking. You're not dressed for this guy.
So you're gonna have to, fuck, shit, you're gonna have to hook it, like.
Yeah, he'll probably dig a little bit out, and then he's got a big old tow rope and a big tractor. Yeah, look how much water you brought up right there on your wheel.
Yeah, I figured somebody got the equipment around here though, so I was like, maybe if I just stand on the street.
There you go. I wonder if Earl can get in front of him, pull him out that way, and then back him up, but keep him on this side.
I was there, I didn't see how it split, so I was like using my reverse cam, and I was like, okay, there's the road right there. I didn't really see this.
Yeah. Yeah, it's bad right here. It hasn't rained in 2 weeks, and it's still, you can see it's still flowing. She a little buried, Earl. That's the good side. Don't go too far over there, Reenie. It's a swamp. You sink down like 10 inches.
We've been drunk here before. Yeah.
Well, I think we just get him out this way and then he hug that side.
And then he can hug the back, yeah.
Woo! Ooh, she's to the frame.
Mine's 4-wheel drive. We can hook on and give it a try.
That's a pretty hefty bumper.
Or catch it on the, it's a big rope, so.
There you go.
Now, on mine, the Gannon has got rippers. I'll put the rippers down.
Slide her up on?
Just go over and up on one of the rippers.
Okay.
Got her?
A little bit more. Right there should be good.
Give it some gas.
Give it some throttle. No, you're just spinning the other wheel. All right, we're gonna have to do some digging. I'll go grab the Mini X and I'll dig his whole side out here.
That rope's getting real thin.
Yeah. Okay, well, tractor attempt didn't work. We think it's so suctioned in. I mean, he's buried to the frame, so we're gonna go grab the Mini X and see if we can get her out that way. At least dig out a little bit underneath that frame. HYPERLITE already got it going and warming up for us. Let's just go see if, yeah, if this works. Well, we're on our way. All 6 miles an hour here. Well, maybe 5, 4, I don't even know. Not very fast. We'll get there eventually. Now, in all fairness to the UPS driver, because I know somebody's gonna say it, his GPS told him to go up that road. That road actually looks a lot nicer than a lot of the real roads that you're actually supposed to go up around here. And he doesn't do the rural route. He actually wasn't supposed to work today. He was filling in or something along those lines. So definitely not blaming that guy at all for getting stuck. I've seen some Amazon drivers out here that like they shouldn't have gone where they went. This guy that road actually looks halfway decent, but it's hard to tell that it is quicksand. And he actually made it through. It was coming back out because there's a roadblock that ended up getting him screwed up. Oh, now he's a sign flipper. Do the guitar, do the guitar. There you go. Oh, nailed it, nailed it. All right, you're doing great, buddy. You don't have strobes? Oh, that's
not there yet.
Oh, that's against OSHA. I'll go around the other side. Smells delicious. I'll get out. I'm gonna dig it away and then we'll shovel the last little bits that's under the frame. Oh yeah, it's just a swamp right here.
Good sand.
It's really good sand.
Man, you were shooting for a control.
My one track's a little buried, but this stuff is gnarly. Look at that. There's nothing to push off over there. It just digs in 4 feet when you push down. I ain't never seen this much water in dirt in my life. I ain't never had a Mini X stuck. That's the first. There's nowhere to push on.
When you went in, I go, he's gonna start going down. There's so much water under it.
Oh yeah.
You're riding on water. You're stuck, not too.
Yeah, no, we all stuck.
Not me.
Not yet. I see your foot digging in. You're gonna be stuck soon.
These are hay dudes, man. We don't get stuck.
That's right. You just got tread on them. I might still got some tread on them. I think I got too much mud in my track. There we go. There we go.
Hold on, hold on.
That's some nice stanky water over there, huh? Water's disgusting. Ugh.
Say, don't splash me.
Oh, my bad.
If you don't know, I talked to him later down that he's alright as a kid and stuff. Yeah. I'll follow him on Instagram. It's on Instagram. Get it? Yeah.
God, this stuff is so nasty. Alrighty, James has arrived with a 299 and some forks. You guys can see just how much water starts coming up. It's literally just mush. James is feeling it out a little bit. There's a pretty big hole right here I dug getting out. If you can get it right in line with whatever that bar is right there, that's a solid.
I think our best bet is forward, James.
Well, yeah, but you're gonna have to pick them up and push them out.
No, if Earl's pulling and James is pulling.
Well, we're scared about that rope breaking.
We need chain frame right there.
I wonder if you can get right. I mean, they got round bar coming out to that step.
Well, I can just stick the fork underneath.
Well,
If
right
you're
here, you're
empty-
gonna sink.
If you're cool with me, like, dragging the back end this way, I'll give that a shot first before we
You don't think it's gonna sink?
Not right here. You're good right here. It's over there.
Worst come to worst, we get the 330.
There you go. Let's see how much stuff we can get stuck today. It's fine. You're almost gonna have to get it from this side.
Can I get eyes on this side? Make sure I don't hit it over here.
Oh, there's some wide tracks on that bad boy. There we go. There we go.
All right, let's do an oil change.
Can you go up more? All right, you're balancing her. If you can get it a little further over, we're out of that, even that little rut. James, the fuel tank's right in the center of those two frame rails and it hangs down pretty low. So there's like a hitch thing that comes down. Let me get you back on that. And you'll You just don't want your fork to drop. Go a little bit more. There you go. You might be all right there. Yeah, let's give it a shot backwards. Okay, new plan of attack. We're gonna try to hook the rope from the back. We're gonna yank him out backwards. 299 just is not getting stuck, so that's good. Watch that rope, James. There we go. There we go, there we go. We needed him to go that way. Keep going, no, yep. Turn it right. Keep turning right, right.
Straighten the wheel, straight. Go.
There we go. So, we sent my drone up to get some footage, and then my drone controller died, which I thought would automatically make this thing land. Which, since that it was dead on the controller and it came down to about 5-6 feet here. Oh, what's happening if I get near it? But it's not landing. Oh, maybe it's gonna land itself now, but it knows I'm next to it. That's really weird. I'm not touching this at all. All right, I guess, well, now it landed itself. All right, we get first dibs on the packages. First dibs on all the packages. Yeah, we just saved UPS like a $4,000 tow bill right there if they brought tow trucks out here. Now, if you ever get the rural route again, you know, this is not a real road. Not a real road.
Thank you. You guys.
Yeah, it was James over here.
Thank you.
Good work, James. Well, guys, never a dull moment living out in the rural world out here. So it's gonna take probably a month or so for that to dry out. We can kind of doctor that spot back up, but appreciate James coming over, always having the big equipment to get everything out. Really cool community out here. I love that there's always just something going on. You never know what you're gonna get into in the day. So with that, we're gonna wrap up. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you've not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that you don't miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like and get a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com, because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. You guys are the best. I'm out.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.